Hey guys, let me tell you a little story. So last week I was having some serious issues with my internet. The connection just kept on dropping out, reconnecting, disconnecting. It was going really slow. I was trying to work, I couldn't get anything done, and it was just super frustrating. But because I know VPNs, I know that without a VPN, your internet connection is normally going to go through your service provider, your ISP, and your connection will go through the ISP's path before getting over to the website that you want to get to. And normally you would connect up to a VPN in order to get a more secure and private connection where your internet service provider or governments or hackers or pretty much anybody else won't be able to know what you're doing online. But I thought that in this case, because my ISP seems to be having issues, maybe I can connect up to the VPN, and because now I'm taking the VPN's path over to the internet, I'll get a stable and faster internet connection. So I went over to my VPN, ExpressVPN, and connected up to a location that was close to me, and just like that, my internet connection got stable, no more dropouts, it was fast, and I was able to just get my work done. I'm still connected right now because the issue hasn't been fixed, so I need to be connected to the VPN, and Express has pretty much been a lifesaver for me the past few days. So I thought this would be the perfect time to do a bit of a review about ExpressVPN and explain to you how this VPN works and why I like it so much. So like I said, using a VPN will give you more privacy and security. It'll hide everything that you're doing from your ISP and keep your data secure and private so that nobody can access it. But you can also use it to make it seem as if you're somewhere else when you're using the internet. So right now I'm connected up to Greece. So I don't even have to be physically in Greece. I can physically be somewhere else, but because I'm using the VPN and I'm connected up to a server in Greece, any website that I visit will think that that is where I am. And if we just click on this location bar right here, I'm going to get access to a lot more countries. With ExpressVPN, you have 105 countries to choose from and 3,000 plus servers across those countries. And in a lot of these countries, like let's say the US, you can click on this little arrow and then you get more options within that country to choose from. So these are all the places within the US that I can connect to. And if I would connect to, let's say, New York, any website that I visit will think that I am in New York. And just one of the ways where this is really useful is, let's say you wanted to watch a Netflix show, or let's say it was Hulu or Disney Plus, it doesn't make a difference, but it is available on Netflix somewhere else in the world. So you can use your VPN, connect up to that country, and then when you go over to Netflix, you'll have access to that library of content. So if there was a show that I wanted to access that was only, let's say, available in the UK, right? I can go over to my VPN, go right here, connect up to a server in the UK, just like that, and I'm connected. And now when I go over to Netflix and I go into my account, I will be able to access the entire content library and all the movies and TV shows that will be available in the UK. And ExpressVPN makes it super easy and simple to do this. It has a very clean, minimalistic interface. It's kind of like a set it and forget it VPN, which personally I like a lot. I just go into the VPN, pick whichever location I want, connect up, and then go over to Netflix or whichever streaming service you're using, and you can watch whichever movie or TV show it is that you're trying to watch. And because ExpressVPN uses their own lightweight protocol, it's a super fast VPN, so you won't have to worry about any buffering or lag or anything like that whenever you're streaming or whenever you're using the internet in general. And in case you don't know what a protocol is, it's basically the messenger service between your computer and the VPN. And just like some delivery services are faster than others, the same thing is true with protocols. Not every protocol is as fast as lightweight. And you can see which protocol you're using by just going over to ExpressVPN, clicking on the menu over here, going into the options, going over to the protocol tab, right? And you have pretty much two main options, OpenVPN and Lightweight. So OpenVPN is the one you're going to see on most VPNs. It's older and maybe more available across different networks because it's older, but it's not going to be as fast. Whereas Lightweight is ExpressVPN's own protocol and it's super fast. So if you want a VPN that's easy and simple to use, very fast, and you have a lot of different countries to choose from so you can stream content and access different movies and TV shows from all over the world, then ExpressVPN might be for you. And you can check out the description below where I'm going to have a discount link for you that will save you some extra money on Express if you want to try it out. But there is one more thing I want to talk about, and that's privacy and security. It's pretty much every top VPN will run what's called security audits or no logs policy audits, where they have outside third-party companies check out their system and verify that the VPN really is secure and really is just doing what they say they're supposed to do. And ExpressVPN has done probably more of these audits than any other VPN out there on the market, and they've been done by some big names like KPMG and PwC. And this means that not only will the government or your internet service provider not know what you're doing online, but ExpressVPN themselves doesn't know what you're doing online. In fact, they even have a transparency report where they show how many different requests they've had by governments and law enforcement agencies for user data, but they can't give out that information because they don't have it. They don't keep it in the first place. And one last thing, while I'm on their page right here, you can see that there is an option to chat with a representative in the bottom right corner. You're going to see that icon on every single page on their website. So unlike some other VPNs where you have to go through like a bunch of different menus and then maybe you'll get like a chat bot or something, with ExpressVPN, you can easily and quickly speak with a real person and get help, whether it's technical support or just general help regarding any part of the VPN. You can get that quickly and easily on literally any page on their website. So while my reason for starting to use ExpressVPN pretty much consistently over the past few days was maybe not an ordinary reason for using a VPN, to try to fix a problem that you're having with your internet from your ISP, after using Express nonstop for the past week, I can definitely say that this is a VPN that you're gonna get your money's worth. It gets the job done, whatever it is you want from a VPN, and it does it well. Now, if you've made it this far and you've heard what I've said about ExpressVPN, but maybe you're looking for some other alternatives as well, you want to see what else is out there on the market, then the two other top recommendations that I would recommend to you would be either NordVPN over here or this one, Surfshark. NordVPN is a VPN that I would generally recommend for somebody who wants more features and more customization out of their VPN when compared to Express. Because like I said, Express is very simple and easy to use. There is a ton of different features and technology built into Express. It's going to be going on behind the scenes and you're not going to see it. Whereas with Nord, you have a lot of options and features at your fingertips. You have some add-ons as well, like a mini antivirus, and there's just a lot going on with NordVPN that you can access a lot of different features. It's a little too much for this video, but don't worry, I'm going to have full in-depth reviews for NordVPN and Surfshark as well in the description below in case you want to check those out. But I'm just touching on the main points over here. And with Surfshark, this is what I would say the best budget VPN on the market. It's not necessarily as simple and easy to use as Express, and it's not going to have all the features that NordVPN has. For the price that you're paying, I would definitely say that this is the best budget VPN available. So in a nutshell, those are two other really good VPNs if you're looking for an alternative to ExpressVPN, if you're looking for something else to look at that maybe you're going to be interested in. Of course, like I said, you'll find full reviews for both of those in the description below, as well as discount links on all of them that will save you some extra money if you do want to try them out. That's all for this video, guys. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next one.